Well, hey, welcome to Will C's very first tech unboxing video. Now, what I think of tech, I think of something that makes my life better, or something that fills a need, or has a purpose. So, went a little crazy on Amazon. For regular people, this is probably a little crazy. For these big tech guys like YouTube guys, like your average consumer that unbox all this stuff, I mean, I wish they would send me this stuff, but I purchased all of this with my own money. And also, I got a couple things off the Amazon Haul webpage just to see what kind of stuff they had on there. But let's get into the unboxing. First, let's check out what's in this box. All right. Always when you're cutting, cut away from you. You never want to cut towards you. That's how accidents happen. Usually with the Amazon boxes, they're not too bad to cut open. All right, see what we have. All right. So we have a Belkin charger. I'll show you that in just a second. A couple of these phone stands, and the first thing we have is an LCD screen for kids. I think this was a little over $5. This is something that they can just ride on and just hit a button and erase it. Now I have one that we have at the house for the grandkids. You can see this is nothing simple, but you take your, I guess you would call it the stylus, and then you can write on it, change its color, and then you hit the button and it goes away. So if you like what you're seeing so far, how about subscribing, liking the channel and subscribing, helping Will C Tech out. So this is the LCD writing tablet. Again, these are good to have around the house for kids and grandkids, just to have something to play with. Now this was a cheap stand, and by the way, all the links will be in the comments below, so you can check it out for yourself. You know, like I said, low cost stuff. This is stuff that I spent my own money on. This was a stand. I got one of these for the wife, and she really liked it, so I decided to get a couple more for Christmas presents. You know, find something good price, buy it now, hold on to it till Christmas. But it's just a basic stand that rotates, but you put it on you can put it on the table and just works with an iPad, works with a phone. You can put the phone in it, rotate it for just a few dollars. Kind of hard to go wrong. Next, we have a Belkin Boost Charge. It's a 25-watt charger. They had this, again, all these came from the Amazon Haul webpage. To me, it feels like more like a Temu competitor or something like that. But just a basic brick charger, since Apple and Samsung are a little cheap nowadays. But has the flip out prongs and also a USB-C connector. But something basic to have around, since all the phone makers decided to quit putting them in the phones, when you find one cheap, it's a good idea to get one and have it just laying around just in case you need one. Again, like $10 on Amazon Haul. The link will be in the description. All right, next, see what we got in the bag. Saving the best for last. Again, always cut away from you. Set down the side. Oh, now this is one. This was for me. It is the U-Green magnetic, like MagSafe phone mount. So let's check this one out. Got a little. Can't remember what the price was, but we'll have the link to it in the comments if you like it. I think it was somewhere around $10 maybe. But I want to check this one out with the MagSafe. Oh, okay, that's kind of cool. Oh, it telescopes and spins. Let's try it out with the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with the magnetic case, because They didn't put it on the phone, but look at that. That looks pretty nice. Made by Ugreen. Turn to the side. That's pretty good. Well, that's pretty good. $10. Oh, MagSafe. MagSafe phone stand. About $10. Again, links will be in the comments. All right. Third box. Again, always cut away from you. Can't stress us enough. All right. So first we have a microphone, a newer VM10 microphone for my little cage that I have, that I put my iPhone in, and or the Samsung, to use for a microphone when I do video. I will be going to an expo in Charlotte soon, so I wanted something just to pick up the sounds of the expo. So I think this was, I don't know, 20 something dollars. Don't hold me to it. Again, all the links are in the comments. And then this was the big thing that I wanted. Now this is a newer, I like newer. So this is a newer screen that you can, with MagSafe, that you can put on the back of your phone, give you an idea what the screen looks like. So kind of does like a screen mirror, and so you put it on the back of the phone so you can see what you're shooting if you're in front of the camera like I am. So right now this is the only outfit I have is shooting with my phone, so I thought this would be a very good pickup. I'm not sure, I can't remember the price, but again, newer, screen mirroring. If you'd like to see a follow-up video on any of these products, more of an in-depth review, let me know. Put something in the comments so that way we can dive in a little deeper. But this is the newer screen capture, screen mirror for phones, and it also has MagSafe, so you can put it on the back of your phone. So if we put it on the, see, voila. That way when you're videoing yourself, you can look at yourself when you're videoing. All right. Again, all the links will be in the comments below. Check it out. And last but not least is the Ugreen NAS. This is the DH2300. Now this one is something I got for the house that I want to try to get off all these subscriptions, which don't total much, but when you're talking about years and years, and the longer we own these phones, we're going to have bigger and bigger files, bigger and bigger picture files, bigger and bigger video files. That storage has got to go somewhere. So you can either pay for the cloud or you can create your own cloud. So what I intend to do is create my own cloud. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. Well, they have it pretty well secured. So this is the Ugreen. It is a 2-bay NAS. So when I can get the hard drives, I'm going to have this up and running, and hopefully I can, like I said, set it up for pictures, set it up for video, to save stuff so I can take stuff off my phones, to have something always there ready hand for the cloud. Also, hopefully, maybe I can put Plex on here and we can start burning some movies and being able to have our own internal Netflix, so to speak, from all the movies that we have. But this is the Ugreen NAS. I think right now it's on sale for the spring sale for $175. I think I've seen it go with a little over $200, but most times around $199. But for $175, great bargain. Check it out. Again, links in the description. So there's a full haul, all the way from a $5 kids drawing pad to a NAS from Ugreen. What was your favorite? The Amazon haul stuff kind of held its own for $5, $6 up to $10 for a couple things. This wasn't a bad price. The NAS is going to be awesome. I can't wait to set it up. But quite frankly, my favorite is probably the newer screen mirror and monitor, so I can help myself when I do my videos. What was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Again, like and subscribe if you want to see more for real world unboxing videos. None of this crazy stuff where they send you everything, but real world stuff that you can use. Until next time, we'll see how all this works. So we'll see.